Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the document and immediately save a backup. This prevents accidental loss. Next, locate the problematic bookmark by showing bookmarks in the View ribbon and enabling hidden bookmark display in Options, because Word hides them by default. Once visible, click Insert Bookmark to list names. This helps you confirm whether the bookmark exists, is empty, or points to wrong text. Make sure to note the exact bookmark name, since Word is case-sensitive about names, when you edit or recreate it. With the location identified, select the precise text or insertion point you want the bookmark to reference. Selection prevents empty bookmarks. If the bookmark is corrupted or missing, delete it from Insert Bookmark, because repairing a bad anchor often fails. Then recreate it by entering a concise name and hitting Add. Word now anchors to the selection. Once done, update fields and cross-references with Ctrl plus then F9 so any references reflect the new bookmark, which prevents stale links elsewhere in the document. To finish, update every field so those bookmarks resolve correctly. Press Ctrl plus then F9. This forces cross-references and table of contents entries to refresh. If you still see bookmark error, toggle field codes with Alt plus F9 to inspect whether REF or PADGEREF points to the right bookmark name, because mismatched names cause errors. If corruption persists, copy the clean content into a new document and recreate bookmarks there. This often removes hidden corruption, while preserving layout and referenced content.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.